Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube history. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the YouTube app first. The first thing I want you to do is to hit the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. When you're at your profile, I want you to go ahead and hit the gear icon at the top right. Now when you are at settings, I want you to go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom, and you will see that there is a section that is called Manage All History. When you click on this section, you will have the available information that was collected, stored and saved by YouTube. First thing, I want you to click on Saving Your YouTube History. Over here you can simply turn off, so YouTube will not be able to save your search queries, the videos that you've watched, and all the voice and audio activity that you had previously. You can simply turn this off, or you can scroll down and simply click and choose auto deletion of all this data. If you click on auto deletion, you will have an option to choose which time frame after which the YouTube will simply delete your search history. In our case, we have over here 3 months, 18 months and 36 months. This means that when you set some of these time frames after this time frame, YouTube will simply delete automatically all the search queries. Okay, if you go back, you will see that there is even more to this. So if you scroll down, you can essentially delete individually, as you can see, by clicking the X sign on each day of the actual history of watched videos or search queries. If you go on the upper left corner, you see there is a small calendar icon. You click on it and then you can manually input the day, the month, the year, and then you can go on this day and delete all the search history that you want. This is how you delete YouTube search history, YouTube watch history, and any other piece of information that YouTube saved from your interactions using the platform. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.